Hello everybody, how the guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can activate the Target gift card for like using it online. Alright, so let me show you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple 10, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with today's video. And in order to redeem in order to activate a gift card for your online usage, you need to go to the official website of Target. And Target is like big retail store company in America that sells different stuff like food as well as carpentry stuff, machineries, TV accessories and other stuff, right? It's a really big company in America. So if you guys are an American person, you can use it or access its online store. It's not even available in America. It's available in America, Canada, and any other country. Alright, you can check its list. But basically, to activate its card, you need to search for Target on your web browser. After the search for Target, click on the first option over here. It will take you to the official website of Target over here. What you need to do is log in into your account first over here, and after you log in into your account, here is going to be gift card section. You can click on gift cards over here. Alright, once you are in gift card, in order to activate your Target gift card online, you need to come over here. And once you log in into your account, it's going to bring you over here in this page. Now once you're in this page, you need to click on Save a New Gift Card. And in order to activate your gift card, you need to click on Save When You Give Card and Resist Card Number. You need to enter your gift card number over here. After injury and gift card number, you need to enter the access code of your gift card. And as you guys can see, it shows over here that all the information like your card number and access number is going to be available in this part of your gift card. It is shown over here in this photo. So you can see your gift card carefully. And once you see these numbers, type the number exactly how it's given to you over here and click on Add. And if the number is correct, a gift card will be added over here. Alright, but this of course is not a real number because I don't want to show you guys my gift card number. So I'm just going to enter a fake one over here, but I just wanted to show you guys that's how we guys can activate your gift card of your Target no matter where I buy something online. This gift card is going to be used as a method of payment. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.